Hi students, welcome to online classes. In the previous class, we learned 5-digit numbers, how to read and how to write, and also we revise expanded form of that numbers. Today we are going to discuss about comparing the numbers. We are going to discuss about comparing the numbers. How to compare the numbers? Okay. First of all, here two numbers are there. 845 9346. In these two numbers, which one is greater and which one is smaller? Okay. First of all, to compare any two numbers, first of all you count the digits. Here 1 2 3. This number having 3 digits. This number having 3 digits. Here 1 2 3 4. This number having 4 digits. Okay. So the number which have more digits, it is the biggest number or greatest number. The number which have less digits, it is the smallest number. Okay. The number which have more digits is the greatest number. The number which have less digits is the smallest number. Here 845 is the smallest number and 9346 is the greatest number. Like this we have to compare the numbers. Okay. Another example. Now see here 9346 and 8456. Okay. First of all, we want to count the digits. 1 2 3 4. This number having 4 digits. 1 2 3 4. This number is also having 4 digits. Okay. On that time we want to compare their highest place. Okay. That means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here thousands is the highest place, right? Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You want to compare their thousands places. That means here thousands place is 9 and here thousands place is 8. Okay. 9 is greater than 8, right? 9 is greater than 8. So this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. 9 is greater than 8, so that 9346 is the greatest number and 8456 is the smallest number. Got it? Another example. Here one more example is there. First of all, to compare the two numbers, we want to count the digits. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Both numbers having 4 digits. Both numbers having 4 digits. Now here highest place is thousands. In the thousands place the digit is 8. Then the thousands place the digit is 8. And here also in the thousands place the digit is 8. 8 is equals to 8, right? On that time we go to the next place, that is hundreds place. Thousands place is equal, so that we want to compare their hundreds place. If hundreds place are also same, then we go to compare tens place. If tens place is also same, then we go to compare their ones place. Like this we have to compare the numbers. Here thousands place is 8 and here also thousands place is 8. Both are same, so that we are moving to hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 5 and here hundreds place is 3. 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. So 8546 is greater than 8359. 8546 is greater than 8359. Okay. Do you understand? Now this is the introduction part of first chapter. Now we are moving to exercise. Okay, that is exercise 1.1. In the exercise 1.1, first question, identify the greatest and smallest among the following numbers. Identify the greatest and smallest among the following numbers. In that, first question is 67456, 76547, 15476, 75460. Okay, this is exercise 1.1. First question. In the first question they are asking which one is the greatest number and which one is smallest number. Wants to compare each and every number. Here first of all count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Each number having 5 digits, right? Each number having 5 digits. So that wants to do compare their highest place. Okay, here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 10,000s place is the highest place. So compare 10,000s place in each number. Compare 10,000s place in each number. Here 10,000s place is 6, and here 7, and here 1, and here 7. 6, 7, 1, 7. In 6, 1, 7, 7 is the highest number or greatest number, right? But here 7 is having 2 digits, 2 places, right? Here also and here also. Then we want to compare their thousands place. Here thousands place is 6 and here 5. So 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. So that here greatest number is 76,557, and the smallest number is 1. That means 15,476 is the smallest number. Smallest number is equals to 15,476. Sima. Here all numbers having 5 digits. All numbers having 5 digits. So that we want to compare their 10,000s place in each number. 10,000s place in each number. This number having 6, and this number having 7. This number having 1, and this number having 7. We want to find out greatest number, right? So 7 is the greatest number. So that means we want to compare these two numbers, which one is biggest. Okay, among these two numbers 7 is same, right? That's why we are moving to thousands place. Here thousands place is 6, and here and here thousands place is 5. 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. So that this number is greater than this number. So 76,547 is the greatest number. And comparing to 10,000s place, 1 is the smallest number, right? So this is the smallest number. That means 15,476 is the smallest number among these numbers, right? Another example, another question, next question. 64567, 66000, 78567, 274347. Okay, now what is the first step to compare? Yes, that is count the digits. First of all, count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5. This number having 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. This number is also having 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number having also 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number having 6 digits. That means the number which have more digits, is the greatest number, right? So here the greatest number is greatest number is 274347. That means 2,74,347. 2,74,347. Now we want to find out which one is the smallest number. Among these three numbers, which one is the smallest number? So first of all, here these three numbers having 5 digits. So we want to compare their highest place, that is 10,000s place. Here the 10,000s place is 6, and here the 10,000s place is 6, and here the 10,000s place is 7. We want to find out smallest number, right? In this 6, 6, 7, which is the smallest one? 6 is the smallest one. That means here you want to compare again thousands place, because of 10,000s place are same. Thousands place is here 4 and here 6. So 4 is less than 6, right? 4 is less than 6. We are finding smallest number. So we want to find out small number, right? So 4 is less than 6. So that 64,567 is the smallest number. 64,567 is the smallest number. This is the first Roman. And here third question is there. You have to create one question in your own, okay, and find out answer which one is greatest and which one is smallest. Okay, do you understand this first Roman? Now I am moving to second Roman. In the second Roman, write the given numbers in ascending order and descending order. We want to find out ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means what? Ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means small to big, and descending order means big to small. Ascending order means small to big, and descending order means big to small. Here in second Roman, first question, 75645 77845 24625 85690. We are writing ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. That means we want to find out the first smallest number to greatest number, right? First of all, here count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each number having 5 digits. Each number having 5 digits. So that we want to compare their highest place. That is here tenth, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 10,000s place. Here the 10,000s place, the number, the digit having 7. And here also 7. And here 2. And here 8. 7, 7, 2, 8. So in this smallest number is 2, right? So that first this came 2, 4, 6, 2, 5. After that 7, 7. After that 8, right? Okay. Now in these two numbers, which is the smallest number? Here 10,000s place and 10,000s place are same. So that we are moving to next place, that is thousands place. Here thousands place is 5 and here 7. We are finding smallest number between these two numbers. So 5 is less than 7. 5 is less than 7. So that 75,645 is less than 77,845. So this is the smallest one. So after 75645, after that 77845, that means 77,845. After that 85,690. So this is the ascending order for a given number. Okay, given question. So this is the way to find out ascending order. Okay, in that second question is there. Okay, you write in your own. Now I am moving to descending order. Okay, descending order. Seven five six four five, 77845, 24625, 85690. Here in second Roman, first Roman ascending order, two sums is there. One sum I told you and another one do in your own. In the second Roman, descending order is there. Here also two questions is there. Now I am telling first question. Okay. Descending order. Descending order means big to small. Descending order means big to small. Here 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. All the numbers having 5 digits. All the numbers having 5 digits. Now we want to compare their highest place in each number, right? So here 10,000 place is the highest place. So 7 7 2 8. Okay, we are finding descending order, right? That means we are finding biggest number. In this 7 7 2 8, which one is greater? 8 is the greater among these 7 7 2. Okay, so 85,690 is the biggest number. So 85,690. After that biggest number is, so here in 10,000 place 7 7 is there. Okay, these are same. Now we are moving to compare their next place, that is thousands place. Here thousands place is 5 and here thousands place is 7. We are finding biggest number, right? So 7 is the biggest number comparing to 5. Okay, so this is the biggest number now. So 77,845. After 75,645, after that 24,625. 24,625. Okay, so this is the descending order for given question. And second one is there, that one also you try at your home in your own. Now I am moving to third Roman. In the third Roman they are asking, write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words. We know the place value table, right? What is that? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Place value table, tell me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay. Here the third Roman is write the numbers in word form. That is, you want to write the number name. Here the first question is 73062. 73062. Here we know that place value table ones. This is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s. Here how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. How many tens are there? 6 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 0 hundreds are there. How many thousands are there? 3 thousands are there. How many 10,000s are there? 7 10,000s are there. Okay. First of all, this thousands and 10,000s are one group only, and you want to read 6. That means tens place and ones place together. You want to read or write togetherly. Okay, that is tens place and ones place. Now the number name for this one is 73,000. How many thousands are there here? 73,000. 73,000. 73,000. 73,000. There is no hundreds, so that 60, 6 into 10 becomes 60. How many ones? 2. So togetherly 62. 73,062. The number name for this question is 73,062. And the second question is 180,565. Here 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, 0 is in thousands place, 8 is in 10,000s place, 1 is in lakhs place. 1 is in lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. How many lakhs are there? 1 lakh is there. How many 10,000s are there? 8 10,000s are there. How many thousands are there? 0 thousands are there. Here how many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? 6 tens are there. How many ones are there? 5 ones are there. Okay. Now 1 lakh. How many lakhs are there? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. 1 lakh. How many thousands are there? 80 thousands. How many thousands are there? 80 togetherly. 1 lakh 80,000. 1 lakh 80,000. 1 lakh 80,000. 500. 500. 500. 565. 565. So this is the number name for this number. Now here the third one is 2545505. 2545505. Here 5 is in ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So this is lakhs period, this is thousands period, and this is ones period. Okay. Now 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs. 45,000. 25 lakhs. 45,505. Okay, 25 lakhs. This is togetherly 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 45,000, 45,505, 505. This is the third Roman, and here in third Roman fourth sum is also there. Okay, that question he wants to create and write the answer here. Okay. And coming to next Roman, write the numbers in figures. In the next Roman is write the numbers in figures. I hope you are understand this. Fourth Roman, write the numbers in figures. In that, first question is 60,000, 60,000, 66, 60,000, 66. Solution. Here, in the number name, which one is the highest place here? 60,000. 60,000. That means here 60,000 means here we start 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. 60,000, 60. Here the biggest number, highest number is 60,000. That means here the number starts with 10,000's place to ones place. Okay. 60,000 means in 10,000's place 6 is there means in 10,000's place 6 is there means it will be 60,000. Okay. So in 10,000's place it is 6. Okay. After that thousands place, here 60,000 only is there. It is not 61,000, 62,000, 63,000. That means in thousands place nothing is there. In thousands place nothing is there. So that we wants to keep here 0. If it is there anyone, then it will be 61,000, 62,000, 63,000. It is just 60,000. That means in thousands place nothing is there. That's why it will be 0. After that, in the number name, is there any 100? 60,000, 66. There is no hundreds is there. That's why he wants to keep 0 in hundreds place also. Now 60,000, 66, 60, 60. That means in tens place 6 is there means in the tens place 6 is there means it will be 60. Okay. So in tens place 6 is there. Now 66. 6 is in ones place. So 6. So the number name is 60,000, 60,000, 66. 60,000, 66. 60,000, 66. And coming to second one, $78,400 $78,400 78,414. The number name is 78,414. 78,000 means in 10,000's place, here this number starts with 10,000's place. 10,000's place, 1,000's place, 100's place, 10's place, 1's place. 78,000, that means 78,000 means in 10,000's place it is 7 and 1,000's place it is 8. Now only it is 78,000. Okay, 78,000. Okay, after that 400. How many hundreds are there here? 400. That means in hundreds place it is 4. That's why it will be 400. 414. 14 means 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. That means in 10's place it will be 1. In 10's place it will be 1 and in 1's place it will be 4. In 1's place it will be 4. So the number is 78414. 78414. This is the answer for 78,414. This is the numeral for number name. Okay, 78,414. And the third question is 9 lakhs 96,000 and 90. Here the number name starts with which place? The number name starts with which place? 9 lakhs. Here it is starting with lakhs. So lakhs place, 10,000's place, 1,000's place, 100's place, 10's place, 1's place. 9 lakhs. In lakhs place, if it is 9, then only it is 9 lakhs, right? So in lakhs place it is 9. 9 lakhs after how many thousands is there? 96,000. So how many thousands is there? 96,000. That means in 10,000's place, it is 9 and 1,000's place it is 6. Now it is 96,000. 96,000. After that 96,000 and 90. 96,000 and 90. That means here there is in hundreds place he wants to keep 0. After that 90. 90 means in tens place it will be 9, then only it is 90. Okay, and after that here nothing is there. 91, 92, 93. The number name is 9,96,090. Okay, in lakhs place 9 lakhs is there, so that in lakhs place it is 9. After that 96,000, that means in 10,000's place it is 9, in 10,000's place it is 9 and 1,000's place it is 6, then only it is 96,000. After that in the number name there is no 100 is there. Okay, so that in 100's place he wants to keep 0. After that and 90. 90 means in 10's place if it is 9, then it will be 90. So in 10's place it will be 9. After that here 91, 92, 93 nothing is there, so that in 1's place it is 0. Okay, so the number name, the numeral, okay, the numeral it is so this is the numeral for number name 9,96,090. 9,96,090. This is the fourth Roman. Write the numbers in figures. And after that, one fourth question is there. That one you want to create in your own and write the answer. Okay, now fifth Roman, write 4-digit numbers as many as possible with 6057 digits. Now we are moving fifth question, right? In fifth Roman, write 4-digit numbers write 4-digit numbers as many as possible with 6057 digits. By using 6057 we can create 4-digit numbers as many as possible. Okay, so here this is a very easy question, try to understand it. Now here the digits are 6057. In that 6057, which is the smallest digit? 0. Okay, so 0, after that smallest one is 5, after that 6, after that 7. So 0567 it is equal to 567, and it is a 4-digit number. It is a 4-digit number? No, it is a 3-digit number. We want to create 4-digit numbers, so that we want to keep 0 in second place. Okay, so here the smallest number is 5. Okay, first of all 0 is the smallest number, we want to doesn't consider it. Okay, 5 is the smallest number, after 0, after 6, after 7. Now 5067 is the 4-digit number. Okay, after that 50, replace these 2 digits, 7, 6. Okay, 5067, after that 5076. Now 0 after, now in the 5 series only, 0 after smallest number is 6 or 7, 6 only, right? 5, 6, after 0, 7, 5, 6, replace that one, 7, 0. In the 5 series only, 5, 6 after 7, 0, 6, 5, 7, 6, 0. Okay, in the 5 series, first of all write smallest number. So 0 is the smallest number, but we taken it is in a second place. So 5, after that smallest number is 6, 0, after that 6, after that 7. Now in 50 series, just replace these 2 numbers, 7, 6. Now 5, in the 5 series only, 0 after smallest number is 6. Okay, so 6 after 0, 7 is there, that smallest number is 0 and 7. So 5607. After that 56, replace that one, 70. So 0, 6 finished. So 5, 6 after 7, 0, 6, 5760. This is in 5 series. Now we are moving to 5 after smallest number is 6, 0, 6 after remaining 3 digits are 057. In that smallest number is 0, after that 5, after that 7. In 60 series, you replace that one, 75. Okay, now after that 6, 0 after smallest number is 5, right? So 6507, 6570. After that 0 finished, 5 finished, after that 7. So 7 0 5, 6 7 5 0. Now 5 finished, 6 finished. Now the series is 7. 7 after smallest number is 0, after that 5, after that 6. 7 0 6 5, after that 0 after 5 0 6, 7 5 6 0, after that 7 5 after smallest number is 6 0 5, 7 6 0 5 0. Okay, so these are the possible numbers with 4 digit. Okay, by using the digits 6 0 5 7. Okay, so these are the 4 digit numbers. Okay, these are the 4 digit numbers. Okay, and here this is the smallest one and this is the greatest one, but here they didn't ask that one, which one is the smallest and which one is greatest. Okay, so you don't write like this, so just you remember that one in your mind only. Okay, so this is the fifth question answer. Write the 4 digit numbers as many as possible with 6057 digits. So this is the answer. Now okay students, we will continue in the next class.